Quality control with Taqtile. Help your teams maintain quality standards every time work gets done. Operators and inspectors follow clear, step-by-step quality workflows, ensuring every check is performed consistently and to a defined standard. The result? More consistent execution, fewer defects, and less rework. Built into every workflow, evidence can be required at critical quality checkpoints. Capture photos, videos, measurements, text, and structured data in real time without slowing down production. When faults are found, built-in fault management and task issuance help teams respond faster and prevent defects from spreading. The result? Better quality control, faster issue resolution, and complete proof that every job was done right. Talk with our team about one of your current quality control workflows. In a short 30-minute conversation, we'll show you how Taqtile can help reduce defect escapes, improve inspection consistency, and create proof of every critical quality check. Taqtile, guide the work, verify the work, improve quality.